To a young mind, this doesn't look dangerous. It looks fun. No flames, no smoke, just flavor, fun, and filters. It's not just tobacco anymore. It's branding, it's lifestyle. It's perfectly engineered to fit into their world. Flavors aren't mere coincidences. Packaging isn't random. These products are crafted to feel safe, to look appealing, especially to those who don't know better. Behind the candy coating lies addiction. They thought they were choosing flavor, but what they got was dependence. We don't need new flavors. We need stronger policies. To protect our youth, we must strip away the disguises, ban flavors, regulate packaging. It's not about taking choice. It's about making sure that the choice is informed and safe. What seemed harmless was crafted to deceive. By unmasking the appeal, we reveal the truth behind flavors, packaging, and ads, and reduce the grip of addiction. It's time to protect our youth with awareness and action.